Question number 1. Which quantity has the fundamental SI units of kg per meter per second square? Okay. So to solve this question, what we do is, see, if you look at the units over here, the quantities given here, these are all energy, force, momentum, pressure. All of them involve the force over here. For example, energy, what is it? Force into displacement. Force itself. Momentum can be written as force multiplied by time. Pressure, force per unit area. Force is common, right? So this should also have something related to force. So what I do is, let me write down the dimensions of force, which is nothing but kg meter per second square, m into a. Okay, we got this one here. Now how does this unit differ from here? There's a per meter here. Okay, rest of them remains the same. So what should I do? If I divide this by meter square, I get the same answer, right? Meter and meter goes away, square goes away, I get the same answer. Which means, what is meter square? This is nothing but force per unit area, right? If I divide this force by unit area, I get the answer, which is nothing but pressure, right? I've taken some time, but anyway, to learn this, how to work on such problems, you don't need to know this. So pressure. So the right answer is pressure. Okay. So this is the way how you can solve such kinds of problems. Let us move on to the next problem.